Hello everyone. Today I am discussing about state machine in Uipath. A state machine is a type of automation that uses finite number of states in its execution. It can get into a state when it is triggered by an activity and it exits the state when another activity is triggered. State machine has two activities. First one is state activity and final state activity. State activity is an also called as initial state which is directly linked to the start node. It contains three editable areas: entry area, exit area, transition area. Entry area that are to be performed when state is entered, exit area that are to be performed upon exiting the state. Transition describes the current transition the state has in relation to the other state. Final state activity is the activity that ends a state machine cycle. This activity contains entry area which holds the activity that are to be performed when the state is entered. Transition enables to add conditions to jump from one state to another state. In order to for better understanding about state machine in Uipath, I have developed a short demo on state machine. The demo name is Guess the Number project, where we develop two variables, that is guess number variable given as guess and random number which is generated by UiPath. When guess number is less than random number, that is a first condition, and where guess number is greater than a random number, which is treated as second condition, and third condition, final condition, guess number is equal to random number. Now we'll go into UiPath tool. Here I have created the demo which explains the state machine which transits from one state to other state with transitions. A random number state have used as an activity to develop syntax to generate a random number between 1 to 10. This is the syntax for the random number, and I stored in a variable called random, and I have used the message box in exit area to tell the user that random number is generated. After this, it will directly go into another state, that is guess number state. Here I am telling the user to enter or guess any number between 1 to 10, and I have stored it in a guess variable. Here there are two conditions which I have previously told, where guess number is less than random number and guess number is greater than random number. Here the first condition is guess number greater than random number, which telling the user to guess the number greater than random number. Where guess number is greater than random number, try a smaller one. When this condition meets, you need to try a smaller one. Here in this another condition, where guess number is less than random number, we are telling the user to try a greater one. Less than random number, we are telling the user to try greater one. And the third and final condition, that is guess number is equal to random number, that is guess equal to random. We are telling the user which matches guess number matches to the random number, and finally we are telling the user where guess is matched with random, congratulations, your guess number is correct, and we are showing the user the random number which is generated by the Uipath. I will debug the process. Process is started. Here the random number is generated. Guess any number between 1 to 10. I will choose number as 6. Congratulations, your guess number is correct. That means whatever the number we have guessed right now, that is 6, that is equal to random number which is generated by a UiPath. Once see the random number is 6. Once again we will start the process to understand clearly about the process. process execution. A random number is generated. This time I will choose a number between 1 to 10 as 8. Guess a number is greater than random number. See, here it is telling to try a smaller one. Okay, I will try 7. Again it is telling to try a smaller one. This time I will choose 5. Still it is telling to try a smaller one. I will try with 4. Again it is telling to try smaller one. I will try with 3. Again it is telling to try smaller one. I will try with 2. Yes, now it is correct. Congratulations, your guess in number is correct. Whatever the number we have guessed is 2, and that is equal to the random number. This is about the state machine demo which I have created. A small demo based on the state machine. Thank you.